Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the crystal SCOLECITE, the stone of unity. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the supportive benefits, and figuring out if this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more. And today we're going to be sitting with SCOLECITE. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of SCOLECITE, then I will link that in the eye above in case you want to pause this video and hear more about the supportive benefits of SCOLECITE before we start on the guided meditation. Now, you don't need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the prompts that you hear during the guided meditation really speak to you, they feel familiar or trigger you, then that is a sign that you should get some SCOLECITE and work with it some more. If you do happen to have SCOLECITE, then this is a good time to go get that and set it next to your meditation seat so you can hold it during the guided meditation. Now, if you have been watching my videos and you find them very useful and you aren't already subscribed, then please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. The only other thing that you will need before we start this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that can be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes while we work through this guided meditation. So if you have your gemstone, or you're ready to picture it in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And start releasing the activities of the day and bringing your awareness to what it feels like to breathe right now. How does your body feel breathing? And then bringing your attention to your body and noticing if there are any physical sensations that stand out to you right now. And checking in with your heart center to see what emotions may be sitting with you today. And then notice the state of your mind. Is it busy with thought or calm? We're not trying to change or fix anything. We're just noticing what's going on with you right now. You don't have to be any certain way. And bringing your attention to those places on your body that touch the cushion or the chair, the ground beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, the entire planet, and you're sitting directly over its center. You have access to all of its energy, and the earth will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you do have a piece of SCOLECITE, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the gemstone today. And take a minute to really feel your piece of SCOLECITE in your hand, to take note of its weight. And if it's a smooth, polished piece or a rough piece, feel its texture. And if you don't have a piece of SCOLECITE, then imagining a white crystal in your mind. And then take a moment to sit and get to know your piece of SCOLECITE. And imagine that you are made up of a bright white light that shines out so brilliantly to the ends of the universe. You are connected with everything. And sit with this image of SCOLECITE energy for a minute. SCOLECITE is the stone of unity. And as you hold or imagine this gemstone in your mind, and consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you want more peace and calm in your life? Do you need to strengthen and heal your aura? Do you feel like your personal energy bubble needs some strengthening? Do you want to bring peace to a relationship? Are you in the process of healing from a recent or past trauma? Do you feel disconnected from other people, or do you want to feel more connected to your community or humanity in general? Connected to the energy of universal life? All of these aspects of life are supported by SCOLECITE. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your heart and your body and your mind, and sit with that for another minute or two while you hold the gemstone or picture it in your mind. And notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you hold the SCOLECITE. And then notice if anything has changed in your body, your emotions, your mind since you started this guided meditation. And then releasing the image of the SCOLECITE energy and letting go of the situation that you were sitting with and just coming back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me today to sit with SCOLECITE energy and to see if this is a gemstone that you think might help you. And if you do feel like SCOLECITE might be a gemstone you'd like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive energies and the supportive benefits of the gemstone as soon as you need it. It's also very useful to journal after these guided meditations and record anything that popped out to you. And this is the essence of how to incorporate crystal wisdom into your everyday life. Knowing which situations you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and to use them and to journal whenever you need them. And this is how you bring about transformational change with gemstones. And if you're new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post the informational videos about the gemstones, and on Fridays, I post the guided meditations with the gemstones. So you can really determine which gemstones will help you in your life right now. And if you're really interested in figuring out how you can make real life change through gemstones, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.